thinking about mounting your TV onto drywall, but you don't know what type of TV mount to get? Well, we have the perfect solution for you guys. This is the Condomounts Tilt TV Wall Mount, the perfect solution for drywall mounting. So let's open this box today. And they also include these TV mounting anchors, or elephant anchors we call that. Okay, these TV mounting anchors or elephant anchors, they are really suitable for melt-stud walls, drywall, and also plaster walls. Inside here, if you look closely, they have screws and even the drill bit for you to drill holes onto your drywall and onto your melt-studs. So what do we have next? Here we have the instruction manual, right? And also the two VESA mounts to be placed at the back of the TV. Okay, so as you know, this is a tilt mount where you could tilt your TV. What is so good about a tilt mount? Well, you don't have to worry about the height of the TV because you could adjust your TV according to your eye level. So, and another good thing about the Condomounts tilt-only TV mount, look at the size of this, guys. Look at that. Alright, it's huge. It's really huge. And the material, right, the material that we use to make these mounts are really good materials. It's very good steel material, and yeah. So what are you waiting for, guys? Get the Condomounts tilt-only TV mount right now.